In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up overlays in OBS Studio for beginners. If you're brand new to overlays, think of them as the graphics that sit on top of your stream, things like frames, labels, and alerts that make your broadcast look polished. We'll grab a free overlay from Stream Elements, then bring it into OBS Studio using a browser source, and finish by setting the correct size so it fits perfectly. Start by making sure you're logged into Stream Elements in your web browser. Being signed in ensures you can access the tools you need and save anything you choose. Once you're in, head to Streaming Tools and open the Overlays gallery. This is where you can browse a variety of free designs. Take a moment to pick a style that matches your content, minimal, bold, or animated. Selecting an overlay here sets you up with a ready-to-use layout that loads from the web, which is exactly what we want for OBS. After you've selected an overlay, open it in the editor. Look to the top right of the editor for the Copy Overlay URL icon. Click that, and the link will be copied to your clipboard. This URL is the heart of your overlay. It tells OBS where to pull the live graphics from. Keep it handy. We'll paste it in a moment. Now switch over to OBS Studio and go to the scene where you want the overlay to appear. In the Sources panel at the bottom, click the plus button to add a new source. Choose Browser from the list. Give the source a clear name so you can recognize it later. Something like SE Overlay works great. And then paste the URL you just copied from Stream Elements into the URL field. Before you confirm, set the width to 1920 and the height to 1080. These dimensions match a standard 1080p canvas and help the overlay render at the correct scale. If your OBS base canvas resolution is different, match these numbers to your canvas for the cleanest result. Once that's set, confirm your changes and the overlay should appear right away in your preview. If it looks off, double check the dimensions or that the URL was pasted correctly. As an extra tip, you're not limited to one source for overlays. You can also find free options on sites like Canva or O1-3D. Many of these provide browser-based overlays or downloadable assets you can use alongside what you've added from Stream Elements. And that's it. Log into Stream Elements, choose an overlay, copy its URL, add it to OBS as a browser source, and set it to 1920 by 1080. You now have a clean professional overlay up and running.